In this video, I'm going to show you how you create the 5 music video effects that make your video looks amazing. So the first effect we are going to create is X-ray effect. So the first thing we need to do is to create an adjustment layer, drag and drop at above of our footage. And now I want just make a cut at our footage for just appearance. So we need to make some cut at our adjustment layer, like a 3 cut at the right side and 3 cut at the left side. So I'm just moving right side 1 frame and make a cut right here by press Ctrl K, or you can also use razor tool. I'm just moving right side again, make a cut, 3 frame adjustment layer at the right side, and now I'm just moving a left side just like a right side, so make a cut at the left side as well. And here we go, just delete an extra adjustment layer, and here we have some couple of adjustment layers. So I just need to delete this adjustment layer and delete this mid as well, just like that. And here we have some couple of adjustment layers. So now we need to go to effects. If this effects panel isn't appear here, just go to Windows, and here you got an option of effects. Make sure it will be checked. Now search invert, and here under the channel we got an invert effect. Apply all of this adjustment layer. Effect is just looking really good. You can also use this way to create a transition, like you just need to delete this second part of the video and add a different part. So the next effect is flash. For that I'm using my own preset. You can also check it out, that video link in the description below. It's absolutely free to download. So for using that you actually need an adjustment layer. Just drag at above of your footage and just hold shift right arrow key twice, and here we have a 10 frame on right side. Make a cut by press Ctrl K, delete this extra layer, move back and move to the left side by press Ctrl Shift and delete this extra layer, and here we have a 20 frame adjustment layer. Once you import this flash transition, you just need to add this flash to the adjustment layer, and here we go. So the next effect we are going to create is flicker effect. This is a really easy effect to create. I already created a proper video on a flicker effect. If you really want to watch, you can get the link in the description below. All you have to do is to select that point where you want a flicker effect. Just select a razor tool and make a couple of cuts right there. Now once you're done with the cuts, all you have to do is to delete the first keyframe, keep the second keyframe, delete the third keyframe, and just moving forward with this sequence. It's just amazing to create a flicker effect. You can also make it more realistic. So if you want to make it more realistic, the other way is just select all of this layer, drag to the above and hold shift and copy this first layer and make it a little bit like that. Now you need to go to effects and search for flip and drag this horizontal flip to the down footage, and here is the preview we got after that. You can make it more realistic, but just go to the effects control and you need to select that positioning and make it a little bit larger like that, and you can positionize it according to your choice, and here is the final result we got after that. So if you want to make it more realistic, you can also match this effect with your music beat, and the final result is obviously really amazing. So before proceeding further with this video, I just want to take a minute and tell you guys about Motion VFX. Motion VFX is one of the best platforms for templates and plugins for Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, and for After Effects. Not only this, they are also providing stock elements that you can use in any software and make your videos is looking great. They are providing hundreds of plugins and templates that can easily accessed with a few clicks. So if you are a beginner or even pro, then Motion VFX will be great for you. No matter which video editing software you are using, Motion VFX products change the game of your work and obviously save your time. They are providing quality packs including YouTube, transitions, LUTs, tracking, titles, and much more. They also have a free and demo templates that you can get for free. So all around, Motion VFX is a great place for templates and plugins. I really recommend you guys go ahead and check it out, the Motion VFX, by clicking the link in the description below. So the next effect we have is a reverse, or you can say reverb effect. So it's really popular in music videos. For that, you just need to select a point where you want to add this effect. So this point is really good for me. So I just make a cut by press Ctrl K. So I'm just holding Shift and right arrow key for the 4th time because I need a 20 frame on my right side to make this effect. So make a cut by press Ctrl K, and here we have a 20 frame footage right here. So I need to make a 4 copy of this part. So for that, I'm just holding Alt key and make a 4 copy right here. And the next step we need to do is to select our second footage, press Ctrl R, or you can directly go to the speed and duration and reverse the speed, press OK, and same for the 4th footage. Effect is just ready, and here is the preview. As you can see, we just add a beautiful reverse, or you can say a reverb effect in our footage. You can also make more copy if you really want to add a little bit more reverse effect and make it more realistic. So the final effect we have is glitch effect. For that, I'm using my own preset. You can also get the link in the description below. It's completely free to download. So first of all, I just need to add a adjustment layer at above of our main footage for a proper use. So here we have adjustment layer. Now we need to, once you import this preset in your effects panel, here we have a 4 different preset. Let's apply this second one on our footage and now render our footage for a better preview. As you can see, the glitch effect is working really great. So you can download this preset for free. Download link in the description below. Must check it out. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you have any question about this video, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.